Crown chakra, the gateway to the infinite, the center of spiritual connection with your higher self, with the universe, with the source. This is where unity, divine inspiration, and deep trust in life are born. It sits at the very top of your head, and it opens when you're ready to believe there is something beyond the mind, something that feels your soul and guides you with love. When the crown chakra is active and open, you feel an inner calm, clarity, trust in life. You sense that everything has meaning and that you are part of a greater sacred whole. Today's meditation will help you connect with that part of yourself that already knows everything and that has always been linked to the light, even when you couldn't feel it. Close your eyes and let your breath gently settle. Take a deep inhale, and as you exhale, release everything. Let it go. One more time. Inhale, exhale, release. Now imagine yourself standing at the edge of a magnificent garden. The air is fresh and clean, redolent with blossoms, damp earth, and the soft promise of dawn. The sun's warmth caresses your skin, and a gentle breeze stirs the leaves in a soothing rhythm. You step slowly into this garden and begin to look around. Everywhere you turn, lotus flowers bloom, in shades of pearl white, soft pink, royal violet, and glowing gold. Each blossom is like a tiny sacred world, silent, peaceful, holy. You wander deeper and notice one lotus in particular, as though it's been waiting just for you. You draw near and know this is your own personal flower, created especially for your journey. You settle yourself inside its petals, or perhaps you lie down, cradled as if in a hammock of light. Your body begins to relax, starting at your feet. You feel them melting into the velvet soft petals beneath you, ankles, calves, warmth and serenity rising up through knees, thighs, hips. Each breath deepening this peaceful state. Your body grows light, your mind goes quiet. And when you're fully supported within this living lotus, you sense it slowly unfurling, opening like a portal to higher awareness, to the pure light of the crown chakra. Now imagine a sphere of light appearing just above your head, delicate, pulsing, enveloping you. Its hue is a luminous violet, the color of divine connection, purity, and soul wisdom. Watch as this light gently expands, first touching the crown of your head, then cascading down through your body, wrapping you in a healing mist of calm. Feel it cleanse your thoughts, dissolve tension, release everything ready to be let go. This light flows through your crown chakra and down through every energy center, uniting them in harmony, healing with tender care. With each breath, it becomes part of you until you too are light. As your body rests and your mind opens wider, let these words drift in, softly, gently, like a whisper from the universe to your soul. All you see, feel, and experience is energy, is love. In every being, life pulses, the very same life that flows through you. You sense a profound connection to your body, your soul, to Mother Earth who sustains you, and Father Universe who guides you. Energy moves through your every cell, silky, silent, with the lightness of pure awareness. Love floods your being. Your chakras open, intertwine in harmony, bringing inspiration and creative power. You are light, and in every living being you recognize that same light. You are free, free of judgment, your heart open, accepting the universe's love, entrusting your path to its wisdom. You know, you feel that the universe has a plan for you. You trust its guidance, and you allow yourself to be led. Your intuition's voice grows clear, pure, true, and you listen. Your life flows in the universe's rhythm, effortless, unhurried, just as it is meant to flow. And now, simply allow yourself to be in this sacred lotus, in communion with what lies beyond words, with what your heart senses and your soul recognizes. You need not do anything else, say anything, understand anything, just remain here. This enveloping silence is the universe's wisdom. This energy you feel is its love. All that you are and all that you need is already here. Give yourself this time for yourself, for your soul, for meeting what is holy and real. And when your soul has drunk its fill of silence, and your heart has felt the unseen, you may begin to return to the here and now. Your body remembers its boundaries, yet your mind remains calm, open, light. You carry within you this connection, this peace, this clarity, this presence. The light you felt inside still shines and will accompany you in every moment, every step. With each movement, each breath, you re-enter daily life, changed, more grounded, more connected, more yourself. Your body awakens slowly, delicately, fingers, arms, face. The world returns, and you return with new strength, new clarity, and the love that dwells within you. When you feel it's right, softly move your arms upward toward the sky, toward the universe, an expression of gratitude for this precious life pulsing within you. Feel the light flow through your hands, uniting universal energy with your own being, and in this heartfelt moment, speak inside or aloud. Thank you for breathing the power of life into me. Thank you for my being. My energy has been cleansed and harmonized. I am ready to experience love at every turn, in every moment, with every breath. I choose trust. I choose light. I choose love. Lower your hands. Feel this energy reside within you and continue to flow through your days long after this meditation ends. You are ready to carry on with your day or to drift peacefully into sleep, knowing everything is as it should be. With love, Lydia. You are always welcome in your own light. Return to this place whenever you wish.